Welcome to English Podcast Academy. Hi, I'm Amy. Today's question is simple but meaningful. Why do you want to learn English? You're going to hear answers from 10 different people, all with different stories, different lives, and different goals. But one thing is the same. English plays an important role in each of their journeys. While you listen, think about your own answer. Say it. Write it. Feel it. Let's begin.
My name is Caroline. I'm 36 years old and I work as an interior designer. I want to learn English because it helps me connect with more people around the world. As an interior designer, I work with clients from different countries and many of them prefer to speak English. It's important for me to understand their ideas clearly and explain my designs in a professional way. Also, I love traveling and visiting beautiful places. Speaking English makes everything easier, from booking hotels to meeting new people. It gives me freedom. Learning English is not just about words. It's about feeling more confident, more open, and more ready to grow. English Podcast Academy really helped me take that first step. If you're serious about learning, this is the right place to begin.
Hi, my name is Jocelyn. I'm 29 years old and I'm a primary school teacher. I want to learn English because I teach in a bilingual school and many of my students speak English at home. I want to support them better and also talk to their parents more clearly. Plus, most of the best resources for teaching and learning come in English. Knowing the language helps me grow as a teacher. Outside of school, I also love watching international movies and reading children's books in English. It brings me joy and new ideas for my classroom. Thanks to English Podcast Academy, I found a way to learn that actually fits into my busy schedule. You should try it too. It can make a real difference.
Hey, I'm Noah. I'm 32 years old and I work as a graphic designer. I want to learn English because so much of the design world communicates in English, whether it's creative briefs, online tutorials, or collaborating with international clients. Sometimes I get invited to meetings or projects with people from other countries, and I want to express myself confidently. I also dream of moving abroad someday and working in a creative studio in another country. English Podcast Academy helped me find my voice, literally. If you want to grow your confidence, this is the best first step.
Hello, my name is Emmanuel. I'm 46 years old and I work as a business consultant. I want to learn English because it's the global language of business. In my field, clear communication is everything. Whether I'm advising clients, giving presentations, or writing reports, being fluent in English allows me to reach more people and expand my impact. I often attend international conferences and I don't want language to be a barrier to meaningful connections. Thanks to English Podcast Academy, I've sharpened my skills and rebuilt my confidence. If you want to go further in your career, this is where you begin.
Hi, I'm Scarlet. I'm 27 years old and I'm a yoga instructor. I want to learn English because many of my clients come from different countries. When I teach classes or create online content, I want everyone to feel welcome and understood. English helps me guide them better and also connect with the global wellness community. I dream of leading retreats in different parts of the world, and for that, English is essential. English Podcast Academy helped me take the first step, and now I feel more connected to the people I serve. You should take your first step too.
Hi, my name is Sabine. I'm 45 years old and I work as a corporate trainer. I want to learn English because I often lead workshops for international teams. Speaking clearly and confidently in English makes me better at my job, and it also helps me build stronger connections with people from different countries. It's not just about words, it's about making everyone feel included. English Podcast Academy helped me improve every week. If you're serious about your goals, this is where your progress begins.
Hello, I'm Ren. I'm 26 years old and I work as a video game developer in Tokyo. I want to learn English because so many of the tools, tutorials, and conferences in my field are in English. If I want to grow and collaborate with people from around the world, I need to understand and speak the language. Also, many of the games I love are originally written in English, and I want to experience them fully. Thanks to English Podcast Academy, I can finally understand the words I once skipped. You should start too. Every step brings you closer.
Hi, I'm Raul. I'm 42 years old and I work as a real estate consultant in Madrid. I want to learn English because many of my clients come from abroad. If I can speak confidently, I can build trust faster and close deals more smoothly. It's not just about the words. It's about making people feel comfortable. I also want to travel more and be able to handle everything from airport announcements to casual conversations without hesitation. English Podcast Academy helped me feel prepared and professional. If you're serious about your goals, this is where you begin.
Hi, I'm Judita. I'm 29 and I work as a yoga instructor in Prague. I want to learn English because I've started teaching more international students, especially travelers and expats. Sometimes I know the poses and the techniques, but I struggle to explain them clearly in English. It's frustrating when I can't guide someone the way I want to. I also dream of hosting wellness retreats abroad, and for that, I need to speak confidently. Thanks to English Podcast Academy, I'm finally finding my voice. If you have a dream, learning English might be the bridge to it.
Hi, I'm Oxana. I'm 26 and I'm a freelance illustrator. I want to learn English because most of my clients are from different countries and our communication is always in English. I often worry about making mistakes or not understanding important details in the brief. It's not just about sounding good, it's about doing my job better. Also, there are so many art communities, tutorials, and opportunities in English. If I don't speak it well, I miss out on all of that. Joining English Podcast Academy helped me turn fear into focus. You don't need to be perfect. Just start.
And that's it for today's episode of 10 People, 10 Answers. You've just listened to 10 different people from different backgrounds explain why they want to learn English. Now it's your turn. Why do you want to learn English? Write your answer in the comments and don't be afraid to speak it out loud too. If you do this every day, listen, repeat, write, and speak, you will improve faster than you think. And if you're ready to go further, just keep watching our videos. The easiest way to learn English is to make it part of your day. This is English Podcast Academy. We believe in your voice. See you in the next episode.